Artificial intelligence, AI, has come a long way since its inception. The concept of creating intelligent machines that can learn, reason, and make decisions like humans has been a topic of discussion for decades. Today, AI has advanced to the point where it is now part of our daily lives, impacting everything from the way we communicate to the products we use. One of the key areas where AI has made significant progress is in the field of natural language processing, NLP. NLP is a branch of AI that focuses on enabling machines to understand and process human language. The development of advanced NLP algorithms has enabled machines to understand, interpret, and generate natural language, making it possible for us to communicate with machines in a more natural and intuitive way. This has paved the way for the development of virtual assistants like Siri, Alexa, and Google Assistant that can help us perform a wide range of tasks, from sending messages and setting reminders to booking flights and making restaurant reservations. Another area where AI has made significant progress is in computer vision. Computer vision is a field of AI that focuses on enabling machines to understand and interpret visual information. Thanks to recent advances in deep learning, machines can now recognize and classify images with remarkable accuracy. This has paved the way for the development of a wide range of applications, including facial recognition technology, self-driving cars, and augmented reality applications. In addition to these advances, AI has also made significant strides in the field of machine learning. Machine learning is a subset of AI that focuses on enabling machines to learn from data and improve their performance over time. Thanks to advances in deep learning algorithms and big data analytics, machines can now learn and improve their performance in a wide range of applications, including speech recognition, image recognition, and natural language processing. One of the most promising applications of AI is in the field of healthcare. AI has the potential to transform the way we diagnose and treat diseases, making healthcare more personalized, efficient, and effective. For example, AI can be used to analyze large amounts of medical data to identify patterns and predict disease outcomes. This can help doctors to make more accurate diagnoses and develop personalized treatment plans that are tailored to the individual patient. AI can also be used to monitor patients remotely, enabling doctors to detect and treat medical conditions before they become serious. Despite these advancements, there are still some challenges that need to be addressed before AI can reach its full potential. One of the main challenges is the need for more transparent and explainable AI systems. As AI becomes more complex and powerful, it becomes more difficult to understand how these systems work and make decisions. This can lead to a lack of trust and confidence in AI, which could ultimately limit its adoption. Another challenge is the need to address the ethical and social implications of AI. As AI becomes more integrated into our lives, it raises important ethical and social questions, including concerns about privacy, security, and the impact of AI on employment. It is important that these issues are addressed proactively to ensure that AI is used in a responsible and beneficial way. In conclusion, AI has made significant progress in recent years, and its potential applications are vast and diverse. From virtual assistants and self-driving cars to personalized healthcare and predictive maintenance, the possibilities are endless. However, there are still challenges that need to be addressed before AI can reach its full potential. As we continue to develop and improve AI, it is important that we do so in a responsible and ethical way, ensuring that the benefits of AI are realized while minimizing its risks and limitations. If you want to learn more and enhance your knowledge of how AI is changing the tech world, you can read the article. I am sure you will like this. Have a nice munchy day.